Jamaican man shows how to make perfect porridge.
Water. Look how fast you know, tell me. He's a man, me journey me.
So you're not giving none?
I'm not ready.
Big butt cornmeal porridge pan it.
Don't catch you up there. That video? Don't worry yourself. Kilos in my pot, I never hungry out here.
Never.
Somebody can hungry past what?
Yeah. All four you can look at.
This one make them all around there, so nobody know, you know. You just see that? Blood splash out to the clouds.
I like?
I look at what Mickey. Mickey want 30 of them. I'm going to do them like this. I'm going to take you see it for that.
Once you cook one I fall them one day now.
What next me clear of them? Clear of them, you know me. Now start it back and ready. Fall on. And cook.
So whole heap of porridge at 6 man, whole day drinking that.
Now carrying this still night. When I left it just till it cool.
Yeah.
Just when it's cool and you drink that. And the chest free. Nice to cook on your fork.
You don't say any base you know?
Yeah, no. We want this some steak. We want to chip it. But some boy a violate for me and they don't know about me. You see me? I give them problem.
Yeah, boy violate around
I don't want me to take them life. Look at you, look at juvenile.
Round a chippy?
Yeah, round a chippy where other ball bless me with the blood clot. You just stay back time all the while. Because other ball know me rolling. You see me? I don't reach on there something. When you see me and him power and talk. No time, 7 times me and him talk. I'm there and me then know say me a Dave's son. You see? I mean, I give nobody no problem when them I give like them I give me talk and something. You know that little boy there give me no talk. Because somebody in the road to blood.
You can't have any little boy the body up.
No, I can beat him up and I say no. I just look for him mother and I say, I'm not trying with him.